Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a PDF black and white using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this print production option. Click here and select here pre-light option and select this option and select here search or library. Yeah. Now here you will find this convert color to grayscale and transparency. Also you can convert grayscale Acrobat Pro 15. I'll convert this Acrobat Pro 15. Now select this fixed option. Now select your save PDF file location. Save. Now close. Yeah, our PDF are already converted to black and white. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.